Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will learn what is the first antivirus software in the world. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. We have here the question, what is the first antivirus software in the world? We have the answer. The first antivirus software in the world is widely considered to be the Reaper, which was developed in 1971 by Ray Tomlinson and his colleagues at BBN Technologies, McAfee. The Reaper was designed to detect and remove the first computer virus known as the Creeper virus, which was a self-replicating program that infected DEC PDP-10 computers running the Linux operating system. The Reaper was a significant breakthrough in early days of computer viruses and paved way for the development of more advanced antivirus software in the recent years that followed. Although it did not provide real-time protection or automatic updates, it operated as a manual tool that could be used to scan for and remove known viruses. Today, there are many antivirus software programs available on the market which provide real-time protection, automatic updates, and a range of other features to help protect against modern computer threats. For my reference, I have here McAfee, the history of antivirus software, retrieved from the following web links, https www.mcafee.com blogs consumer the history of antivirus software. Okay guys, so this is the end of our video trivia and tutorial on what is the first antivirus software in the world. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.